Hello, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean and devein the shrimp. So first thing I do is I need to clean first the feet like this. I'm using scissor to clean it. And now the next thing I do is I will devein it. So here I'm using toothpick to devein it, so I'm going to do it here on the second level here from the head. So here, there you go. You can see here, you can see the block here, and then we just pull it out like this, and that's done. So I devein and clean the shrimps. I'll do it again. I'll cut first the